Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. We're going to do rational numbers exercise 1C, the multiple choice type questions that have been added in the new book. So I'm going to do this and two other questions that have been added in the new book. So let's begin. So the multiple choice type questions are from exercise 1C, which is found on page number 19. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So your multiple choice questions will be of this type, where questions will be given and you will be given the answers as different options and you have to choose the correct answer from these options given. That means we need to work this out, get the answer and then tick the correct answer here. So let's read the question. The number which on multiplying with 5 2 by 3 gives minus 1 2 by 3 is which number? That is, you're going to take this number, you're going to multiply this with another number and the answer should be this. So the question is, what is that number? Okay, so let's do that. So let's consider that number to be x. Now suppose that number is x. This number which on multiplying with 5 2 by 3 gives us minus 1 2 by 3. This is what is given to us in the question. So this number is what we are going to find out and it should be one of these answers here. So now this is in the form of an equation. So let's solve for x. So here what we're going to do is we're going to leave x here on the left hand side as it is. On the right, what do we have? Minus 1 2 by 3. And here what do we have? Here we have 5 2 by 3, which we are going to transpose to the other side. Because it is multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So this is divided by 5 2 by 3. Now we can find the value of x by solving this part here. So first thing we are going to do is convert these to improper fractions. So that will be 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So that is minus 5 by 3 divided by, now here let's do this, 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 by 3. Now let's work this out. So x is equal to, now this is a regular division sum. So what do we do? Write the first rational number as it is, change the division to multiplication, write the reciprocal of 3 by 17. Now let's cancel what we can. We can cancel 3 and 3. So now we have found the value of x because there's nothing else to cancel. So x is equal to, in the numerator we have minus 5 and in the denominator we have 17. So x, which we said is the number which we had to find, is minus 5 by 17. And here let's look carefully. Minus 5 by 17 is option C. So our answer here is option C. Question 2. Here it says, if A, B and C are three rational numbers, there are four options here. We should see which is correct. Now the first one says, in brackets, A into B into C. Okay, that is, we have three rational numbers. A into B into C is equal to A into C into B into C. Now to check if this is true, we can give these values. We can substitute A, B and C with simple values just to make our work easier. So let's say A is 2, B is 3 and C is 4. So here A into B is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 into 4. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 into 4 is 24. So on this side we have 24. On the other side, let's see what we have. Now A into C. Remember we said A is 2 and C is 4. Okay, it's the same as we have given here. A is 2 and C is 4. So 2 into 4 is 8 into B into C. B we said is 3 and C we said is 4. So 3 4s are 12. Now 12 into 8. 12 8s are 96. So as you can see, here we have 24 and here we have 96. The left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. So it is not the first option. Let's go to the second one. A plus B, the whole thing into C is equal to A plus C into B plus C. So here also let's substitute these with values to find out. So 2 and B is 3 and C is 4. Let's make C 4. So here also A will be 2, C is 4 and B is 3, C is 4. Okay, now let's work this out. A plus B, that is 2 plus 3 into C is 4. This is the left hand side we are working out. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 into 4. So 5 into 4. 5 fours are 20. So on the left hand side we have 20. Now let's see on the right hand side what we have. A plus C is 2 plus 4 into B plus C is 3 plus 4. So this will be 2 plus 4 is 6 into 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 sevens are 42. And as you can see, the left hand side is 20 and the right hand side is 42. So 20 is not equal to 42. So this statement is also false. So we cannot use this option B. Now let's go to option C. Same way, A is 2, B is 3 and C is 4. A is 2, B is 3 and C is 4. So A is 2, that's 2 and 4. Okay, so we're going to substitute and do it. Now A into 2 into B minus C is 3 minus 4 is equal to A into B, that is 2 into 3 minus 2 into 4. So this will be 2 into, now here 3 minus 4 is minus 1 is equal to 2 threes are 6 minus 4 twos are 8. So here we have 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and here 6 minus 8 signs are different. We put the sign of the bigger number and we subtract 8 minus 6 is 2. So here can you see the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So the option C is the right one. So which is the correct answer? Option C. So this follows the distributive property. This is something we've already learned, isn't it? When you have A into B minus C, first you do A into B and then you say minus A into C. That's what we see here. So this is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Question 3. The product of a positive rational number and its reciprocal. Okay, so let's take a positive rational number 2 by 3 and its reciprocal will be 3 by 2. So let's work this out and see what we get. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, we can cancel. 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. What do we get? 1 into 1 is 1. Denominator also 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So what is the answer? 1, which is option C. So the product of a positive rational number and its reciprocal is 1. Question 4. The area of a rectangular paper is given to us 7 1 by 3 centimeters square. If its length is 4 2 by 5 centimeters, its breadth is one of these. Now we know the formula, isn't it? We have learned the formula of area, perimeter, of a rectangle, of a square. I hope all of you remember this. Now here the area is given and length is given. So what is the formula to find the breadth? The formula is breadth is equal to area divided by length. So let's find that. And how much is area given to us? Area is 7 1 by 3 centimeters square divided by length, which is 4 2 by 5 centimeters. So let's do this division. First convert. 7 threes are 21 plus 1 is 22. 22 by 3 divided by 5 into 4 is 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 by 5. So now the division will be 22 by 3 into 5 by 22. We have written the reciprocal. Now cancel 22 and 22. What is remaining? 5 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. Let's convert this to a mixed number. 3 ones are 3, 4, 5, 2 is remaining by 3 and this is centimeters. So we have found the breadth, which is 1, 2 by 3 centimeters. Let's look for that here. So it's given here 1, 2 by 3 centimeters. So option B is the correct answer. So this is a correct answer. There are two questions added in the new book, 13 and 14. So this is the 13th question. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of paper are 9 centimeters and 10 by 3 centimeters respectively. That means respectively here, what does it mean? The first number belongs to length and the second belongs to breadth in the order of which it comes. So length and breadth comes first and second. So the numbers first and second are for length and breadth. Now we have to find its area. So remember, this is a rectangular piece of paper. We are talking about a rectangle and we have to find the area and the perimeter of the rectangle. There is a formula. So first let's write what's given to us. So given length is given to us 9 centimeters and we are also given the breadth, which is 10 by 3 centimeters, is already given to us. Now to find first its area, what is the formula to find the area of a rectangle? Formula is length into breadth. Okay, so length is 9 centimeters into and breadth is 10 by 3 centimeters. So now let's multiply the numbers. 9 into 10 by 3. Let's convert this to an improper fraction. 3 tens are 30 plus 2 is 32. So this is 32 by 3. Now we can cancel. Consider this to be 1. Cancel 3 and 9. 3 threes are 9. Now multiply the numerators. 32 into 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So we've got 96. And since we are talking about area, your unit should be centimeter square. So 96 centimeter square is the answer to the first question where we found the area of the rectangular piece of paper. Now we have to find its perimeter. And what is the formula to find the perimeter? Formula is 2 into length plus breadth. So these are formulae that we have learned earlier. You have to apply them here. Area is length into breadth. Perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. This is in the case of a rectangle. Now let's substitute the values here. 2 into. Now how much is length? Length is given to us as 9 centimeters and we have to add the breadth to it, which is 10 by 3 centimeters. So we need to add this. So 2 into, now let's take the numbers 9, give it the denominator 1 plus, convert this, 3 tens are 30 plus 2 is 32. 32 by 3. Now we have to find the LCM. 2 into, now since the denominators are 1 and 3, the LCM will be 3. So let's write that. So here the LCM is 3. Look at the first denominator, it's 1. 1 into 3 is 3. So multiply this by 3. Multiply this also by 3. 9 threes are 27. Plus, here the denominator is 3. That means 3 ones are 3. So 32 ones are 32. You can write the same thing there. So here we have 27 plus 32 by 3 and that is multiplied by 2. So 2 into, now how much is 27 plus 32? That is 59 by 3. Now we have to multiply. Now there's nothing to cancel here, isn't it? So we multiply the numerators and the denominators. 59 into 2 is 118 by 3. Now let's convert that to a mixed number. 118 divided by 3. Now let's take 11. 3 threes are 9 minus 11 minus 9 is 2. 28. 3 nines are 27 minus 1. So what is a mixed number here? 39, 1 by 3. And since we found the perimeter, the unit is centimeters. So we have found the perimeter also, which is 39, 1 by 3 centimeters. Question 14. Find the area and perimeter of a rectangular piece of land with length and breadth. So here also length is given, breadth is given. We have to find the area and the perimeter. So let's do that. So here length is given to us. The length is 7, 2 by 5 meters. Let's write that 7, 2 by 5 meters. Let's convert it here itself. 5 sevens are 35 plus 2 is 37. So that is 37 by 5 meters. Then we've also been given the breadth and the breadth is 4, 1 by 6 meters. Let's convert. 4 into 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 by 6 meters. Now we've been asked to find the area first. First the area and then the perimeter. So to find the area, remember the formula length into breadth. So length is 37 by 5 into breadth is 25 by 6. So here what can we cancel? We can cancel 5 and 25. 5 fives are 25. Now there's nothing else to cancel, so we multiply the numerators. 37 into 5. 5 sevens are 35, carry 3, 5 threes are 15, 18. So 185 by 6. This will be meter square. Now let's convert this to a mixed number. 185 divided by 6. 6 threes are 18 minus, we bring down 5. 5 is smaller than 6, so we put a 0 and a 0 here, minus we get this. So our mixed number here is 35 by 6. And since we have found the area and the units are all in meters, meter into meter, here it will become 35 by 6 meter square. Area is always expressed in square units. So 35 by 6 meter square. Now let's find the perimeter. The formula to find the perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. So let's substitute the values. 2 into, now how much is length? Length is 37 by 5 meters and the breadth is 25 by 6 meters. So now we are going to work this out and solve it. So this will be, now here we have to find the LCM of 5 and 6. So let's do that. LCM of 5 and 6. Let's begin with 5. 5 ones are 5. Bring down 6. Continue this time with 2. 1. 2 threes are 6. You can continue with 3. 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? 5 into 2 into 3. That is our LCM. 5 twos are 10. 10 twos are 30. So our LCM here is 30. Let's use that as the common denominator, 30. Now there are different ways of finding the numerators. So here let's do this. 5 sixes are 30. Let's multiply 37 by 6. 37 into 6 is 222. So let's write that 222 plus. Now here it is 6 fives are 30. So multiply 25 also by 5, which is 125. So close brackets here. So now this will be 2 into 222 plus 125 is how much? That's 347. And the denominator is 30. Now we have to do multiplication. Denominator is 1 here. We can cancel 2 and 30. 2 into 15 is 30. Now we have 347 by 15. So now let's try and get a mixed number here. So let's divide 347 by 15. 15 twos are 30 minus 4, 7, 47. 15 threes are 45 minus we have 2 here. So our answer here will be 23, 2 by 15, and since we are finding the perimeter, the unit is meters. So 23, 2 by 15 meters is the perimeter. So here we are asked to find area and perimeter. We found the area to be 35 by 6 meters square and its perimeter to be 23, 2 by 15 meters. So children, we've completed all the questions in this exercise from the new book. Now all the other questions are in the other video which I will be attaching along. Thank you children.